Professor MS Rao. I feed Asians regularly. I'm a survivor of brain stroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology. So when I was in Jodhpur in the year 2016, I started feeding birds. I also feed dogs daily and weekly also. I have authored 53 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which His Holiness Dalai Lama has written a foreword. In fact, my right portion of the body was paralyzed, and I can't type and I can't eat with my right hand. So I have mental challenges, physical challenges, and financial challenges. So lots of challenges are there, but I'm bouncing back. Precisely, I rose from the ashes like a phoenix. Wherever I go, I visit entire India, and I go to gym regularly for 40 years, and I go to temples regularly. So today I visited Tuljaram temple, and I fed birds. I feed dogs daily, stray dogs, not domestic dogs. And weekly once also I offer some non-veg for dogs. That's what I do it. So whatever is possible, we have to do it without any publicity and without anchoring anything. I keep doing it. I still belong to a lower middle class family. My right hand is still problematic. Lots of challenges I'm having. So if you like, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for subscribing. And I express my gratitude.